Hello everyone, my name is Xiaomi. Welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Honor 9A, and I was so impressed with it that this box is actually empty, and I started filming this particular scene here with the Honor 9A. I'm going to show you, here you go, I'm going to record right now that this particular scene right now I'm recording with the Honor 9A. So we are going to review today the Honor 9A phone. This is an Android phone. It's an amazing phone. It's 64 GB ROM, 3 GB RAM, and it is an amazing looking phone. The back of it, it's just amazing. I like this. This is, and the feeling of it is an amazing feeling as well. And of course, the content of it is really cool. I'll do a full unboxing now for you guys so you can see. And of course, this phone is going to be classed as the cheapest amazing phone for 2020, and of course for the features it's probably one of the best ones for the cheap price, because it's just under $200 or just over £100, and that's in the UK. The Phantom Blue that I'm holding in my hand right now, amazing phone, but it's not available in the UK yet. I have it in the UK. This is the Honor 9A, 64 GB ROM, 3 GB RAM. So we're gonna do an unboxing of this first. Take a look. So first thing first is open it up. So you got the phone, which I'm gonna look at this. Look at this. It's already liking that. Gonna look at it in here in a minute. Now the first thing we have got inside the box. So it comes with this IMEI numbers. So there's two IMEI numbers for the two SIM cards. It's got with a little tiny pin here for the SIM card replacement. A warranty card from Honor, so really cool. Really love that. And a manual, a quick start guide. Gonna put those here on the side. And then it comes in, of course, with this lovely thing here. This is a charger. And we have the USB power data cable. Now this is an important thing, because these cables, a lot of people actually think that they are, you know, anybody can use them, but it's best to use the original, always from Honor himself. We got a little bit of extra stuff in here, so we're gonna, oh, look at this, so this is really cool. So that means only one thing, that this phone, you can use this type of connector with it, which is very important. This is because these connectors are very hard to find if they are, you know, some of the new phones are only USB or data cable. This is actually really cool. That means it's really cool. And of course this one, it's got a microphone with it as well, so it's easy to actually listen and of course talk with it. This is a moment of truth. Here we go, this one here. We're gonna put this here on the side. This is the Honor 9A box that we just opened up, and there it is. Now it comes in like this. This is the Phantom Blue, so it's a new model. So the first thing I want to look at the reverse. Oh wow! Look at this. This is amazing picture. Okay, so it's really cool. I love this. I love the color in here. This is amazing. Okay, so looking at the back, first of all, the most important thing I see, of course, is the camera and the fingerprints. The camera is important because you see you got 3 cameras plus a sensor here. So I'm gonna go through in details here with it. It's got triple camera, so it's really cool. So I don't know if you can see that. It's got triple camera here, and of course you have got the sensor there. And this is a fingerprint sensor, so there's no need for a fingerprint sensor from the front, so it's really cool. Now we're gonna remove this. This is interesting. Take a look at the specification here. It says a 5,000 milliamp large battery. That's just really cool. Now a lot of phones come with 5,000 mAh, and that's gonna be an excellent thing. This is a 6.3 Honor fully view display. Full view display is actually really interesting, which means that it uses the entire display on the phone, and of course the triple camera that I just showed you. Now if I remove this, this is going to be really cool. I'm going to show you this. Now I've noticed on this phone, when I looked at the specification, I actually was on the show with them. When I looked at the specification, you can see how they've actually done the stitching of the phone. They've done a fantastic job around the edge stitching, and this is really good. Look at, and this is the camera, front-facing camera is here. To power on, of course, you just press this, and it comes in with a power, small power, not a lot of power. So I need to really charge this phone right now. But looking at this phone, you know what? It's not cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels strong. I mean, compare this with my other phones right now. It feels great. I mean, I have loads of phones with me, and this feels light, but doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a really cool phone. Oh my god, I'm nearly fell. Nearly really good phone in my phone and in my hand, and it is. Look at this. So there is starting up. It's the magic. Oh my god. Okay, so this is gonna start up right now. I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, so I'm back in here. So I've set up the phone, and as I said, it comes in with a charge. It actually does come in with a 70% charge. So it's really good. It's very nice. Now it's already giving me the option to transfer another phone, but I didn't want to. I wanted to start this brand new completely. You can transfer data from your old phone to this phone immediately with either Honor backup software or the Google backup software. So it's up to you how you do it. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm looking at this now, and the picture quality. Okay, I'm gonna put something underneath it. Here we go. I'm gonna put my Fire Stick here. This is my Fire Stick remote control. Right, well, looking at this picture right now, you can see, I mean, that's quality. That's quality picture from the back. That is, look at the details on the Fire Stick. I can't even get that with this. If you zoom in here, I can't get that, but with this, look at this. This is amazing picture quality, and that's in here. That's in the studio right now. I'm gonna take it out outside in a minute and take more pictures and show you guys. So I'm filming on myself now with the front-facing camera, and you can see that it's actually quality is not bad. It's really good. I can see also the tree behind me, and you can see that it's really good. I can even take a picture of myself, which I'm going to show you guys later on, and you can see that the quality. I just took a picture of myself while I'm filming, and over the front-facing camera. I'm going to take a picture again of the front-facing camera. One thing I can tell you about this Phantom Blue, despite the fact that it is probably one of the cheapest right now of the new phones for 2020, it is an amazing phone. It's an amazing looking phone. I think it definitely is worth it at the moment. I'm gonna do more further tests on it. I'm gonna see if there is anything bad about it, but you know, it's just, I'm just stunned with the back, stunned with the feeling at the front, and of course, take a look at this. This is gonna be cool. I don't know if you can see that, but as soon as I come down here, I click in there, the lock is locked and says unlocked now because it's recognized me. So that means now I can actually slide to unlock. That's actually really cool, because if you take a look at it right now, Samsung, iPhone, and all the other phones like OnePlus and Xiaomi, what they do is as soon as it recognizes your face, it all opens. But this one, it actually checks you, and it finds out if you are the real person. See, right now it's not allowing you to unlock. Okay, but if I put it in front of my face, it recognized me, it removed the lock, and now I can slide to unlock. That's cool. I like that, because honestly, honest to God, the face unlock, it is fast. But most of the time when I go to other phones, I can't see my notification because of this. This one might actually be really cool. This is a cool feature here on the Honor phones. Right, so I'm playing Asphalt 9 right now, and it is amazing. Whoa! Look at the quality in this thing. Oh baby, I'm first! Now, it is amazing quality. When you play the game, it is good. I mean, it shows the picture quality on the screen. A little bit too loud. Look at that, the louder it is, of course, the better. And that just basically shows off that this phone is just literally amazing. So the phone also has got its own app store, which you can come here and basically download any program you want, which I actually did. It's really cool. It worked very nicely. The application in here, the categories, it's very easy. It works just like a Play Store, and it's really good. And I've just installed all these applications like WhatsApp. I've got Messenger, I've got Facebook, I've got Instagram, and I've got the Snapchat in here as well, which I'm going to put inside. Here we go. Put inside this in here. It's very simple, very easy to do, and there's a dual space there, and you can actually add more applications. Now, I'm going to try to open up the dual SIM card holder. I'm going to show you how big it is, because this one is a little bit unique. Right, so there it goes. I've actually removed it now. You can see that it has got 3 slots in here, which is unlike other phones. This one has got, like I said, 3 slots in here, which is really cool. Means one thing that's very, very interesting. It's got 1 SIM card, 2 SIM card, which is the standard for most of the new Android phones. A lot of the new phones come in with 2 SIM cards, and they're both here very simple. And you got a micro SD memory card you can put in here as well, so you can expand the memory. I mean, it comes in with a 64 gigabyte of ROM, but you can expand the memory very easily with another memory card in here. Now, not a lot of companies actually come in with a tray like this. This is actually very interesting, very new. I've never seen something like this. Well, not that I know of. A very nice SIM card and memory card slot. The Honor 9A is actually an amazing phone. It has got the WhatsApp, the Viber, the Facebook, the stuff like you normally get, because it's got its own app store. It's got the amazing all the content. You can install APKs, you can install applications. The game playback is an amazing speed. It works. Aspect 9 didn't flicker, didn't do anything. It was really good. It was zooming in through the game playback. It was fantastic. Even when I pressed the nitro, it was good. You saw it there in the video. The quality, the picture, the feeling itself of holding it. It was very, very amazing. It is amazing. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. It isn't a phone that is compared to the $1,000 phones these days, or the iPhone 10a, or the Samsung S20, or the OnePlus 8 Pro. It's not comparable to that, even though that it is a really cool phone. I wouldn't say it's comparable to the other ones, but it is amazing on its own. The fact is that it's the price for it. It's so low. The content on it, it's so high advanced. I mean, that's where the difference is. The difference is that you actually get something more than what you paid for, which is exactly what you want to buy. You want to buy something that has got all the content, all the things, and the speed, and you can, well, and the important thing, you can talk with it. And it's an amazing phone. I really like it. Now I'm going to put more information, links inside the video description. You can actually go and check it out. And of course, they have got full information. You can get it. You can get it from all the websites from Honors, and Honor have done a fantastic full review on their website. Now, at this point, you're probably going to say, why am I showing my camera while I'm actually recording? Because the camera on this thing, even though that it's cheap phone, right? Cheap phone, yeah. But the camera on this thing, that is comparable to that, because this did 1080 HD 30 frames per second, which is exactly what that thing can actually do. It's making me look bad for buying that close to the $1,000 mark. I mean, I bought that very expensive when I can actually do something on here in less than $200, just over £100. That's just stupid to buy that nowadays, when I can actually do everything with a cheap phone like this. Cool. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye guys.